Assalamu alaikum everyone. We've got an algebraic fraction question again. Let's get started. So we've got to express this particular fraction or this particular situation here as a single fraction. And I'm going to rewrite this. So got 2 minus x plus 2 over x minus 3. And I'm going to leave some space. Then minus, I'm going to put a pair of brackets. There should be an invisible set of there is an invisible set of brackets. Every time you see this in a question, you need to put a pair of brackets. Same here. Put a pair of brackets. So when you go to simplify, there's going to be a different situation here. Okay. Minus x minus 6 over x plus 3. Okay. The first step is I'm subtracting some fractions, and I can't do that unless the denominator is the same. So let's look at the denominators first. This denominator here, right, is x minus 3. This denominator here is x plus 3. So I want the same denominator. So I'm gonna first put a pair of brackets here, multiply this top and bottom by x plus 3. And then this particular fraction, I'm going to multiply top and bottom by x minus 3. I'm going to do some background work. I'm going to expand x plus 3 and x minus 3 just over here. So x plus 3 times x minus 3. So that'll give me x times x is x squared, x times, so that was x times x, and x times minus 3 is minus 3x, and 3 times x is plus 3x. 3 times minus 3 is minus 9. Now these two are like terms and they're going to cancel each other out, leaving us with x squared minus 9. So if I expand these two brackets, I'll get x squared minus 9. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write 2 over 1 as a fraction. I'll multiply this fraction now, top and bottom, by x squared minus 9 instead of the two fractions, instead of x plus 3 and x minus 3, because I've already expanded it. Okay, so this is what my expression should look like. 2 brackets x squared minus 9 minus bracket x plus 2 times x plus 3 minus bracket x minus 6 times x minus 3, all of it over one denominator. Should have drawn a straight line there, which is x squared minus 9. Okay, first I'm going to expand this. 2 times x squared is 2x squared. 2 times minus 9 is minus 18. Now remember there was a minus sign outside this bracket, so I am going to maintain the brackets even though I expand this out. And we shall see why later on. X times x is x squared. X times 3 is 3x. 2 times x is 2x. 2 times 3 is 6. And again, the same situation with the negative sign and the brackets. I'm going to double multiply these two brackets. X times x is x squared. X times minus 3 is minus 3x. Minus 6 times x is minus 6x. Minus 6 times minus 3 is plus 18. All of it over x squared minus 9 Then I'm gonna need some space, so I'm gonna just scroll up slowly. 2x squared minus 18. Now these two will become 5x. I'm gonna open up these brackets, so all the signs are gonna change because they're gonna multiply by this minus sign or by -1. So the x squared will become minus x squared. And these two would simplify to give you 5x, but then multiply by the negative, so it becomes minus 5x. Then minus times plus 6, or -1 times plus 6 is going to be -6. Same kind of situation here. This will be minus x squared. These two simplify to give you minus 9x, but then minus will give you plus. Negative times negative will give you positive, so plus 9x. Then minus 18. All of it over x squared minus 9. And then I simplify the like terms. So I've got, let me just highlight them. So 2x squared minus x squared minus x squared, they cancel out, essentially. What about the others? Let's see this, minus 18, so that's numbers, minus 24, minus 18, minus 6 is minus 24. And then there's another 18 over there, which I need to subtract, so minus 24, minus 34, minus 42. Okay, so I'll go minus 42. What else have I got? The x's. So minus 5x and plus 9x. So those two simplify to give me 4x. Minus 5x plus 9x is 4x. So I'm going to write it as 4x minus 42. Over x squared minus 9. And it says can be written as a single fraction in the form ax plus b, where a and b are integers. Work out the value of a and b. So because it was ax, so a would be equal to 4 and b equals minus 42. That is the solution to our question. Thank you very much for watching.